If you're done with Twitter, then this video is for you. In this video, you'll learn how to permanently delete your Twitter account in just a few simple steps. After watching this video, you'll know exactly what to do to get rid of your Twitter account for good. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. First of all, open up the Twitter mobile application and then make sure you are logged into the account that you want to delete. After that, tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen, and then scroll down a little bit and tap on Settings and Support. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you are on the Settings page, tap on the first option, Your Account. Now what you want to do next is tap on Deactivate Account. And now you will see something like this. Simply scroll down and tap on Deactivate. And then type in your Twitter account password. After that, just tap on Deactivate. Tap Yes. And now you have successfully deactivated the account. So, once you deactivate your Twitter account, it will take 30 days to permanently delete it, and after that 30 days, you will not be able to reactivate it because your account is no longer available in Twitter's systems. So don't log back into your account within that 30-day deactivation period. But if you change your mind during that 30-day window, you can log back in to reactivate your Twitter account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.